Hi guys, my name is Angga from class 10C. I will explain how to have a healthy diet. 1. Manage your diet, increase vegetables, fruit and protein. Reduce fried foods, fast food and sugar-free things. 2. Control portions, eat enough, not too much, and avoid eating late at night. 3. Exercise regularly. Do leg exercise such as walking or jogging for 20 to 30 minutes per day. 4. Drinking enough water every day to support your body's metabolism. 5. Get enough sleep, 7 to 8 hours per day, make to help your body recover and stay healthy. 6. Avoid extreme diet, use a gradual and consistent approach for safer results.